Intro. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about machine learning and artificial intelligence, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the world of automated AI model deployment pipelines. Whether you are a data scientist, a machine learning engineer, or someone who is just starting to explore the intricacies of AI, understanding how to build an efficient deployment pipeline is crucial. In this video, we're going to guide you through the entire process of taking your AI models from development to production. This includes everything from model training and testing to continuous integration and continuous deployment, often referred to as CI/CD. So, grab a notebook, take some notes, and let's get started. What is an AI model deployment pipeline? Before we delve into the nitty-gritty of building a deployment pipeline, let's clarify what we mean by an AI model deployment pipeline. In essence, it is a series of automated processes that allows machine learning models to be developed, tested, and deployed into production seamlessly. The goal is to ensure that once your model is trained and validated, it can be delivered to users effectively and can be updated without significant effort. Having a robust deployment pipeline improves efficiency, reduces errors, and allows for faster updates and iterations. This is crucial in today's fast-paced tech environment, where businesses need to adapt quickly to changing data and user needs. Now, let's break down the steps involved in building an automated AI deployment pipeline. Step 1: Environment Setup. The first step in building your AI deployment pipeline is setting up the right environment. This is a foundational step that will influence the success of your entire project. Start by choosing a cloud platform or a local environment where your AI models will be developed and deployed. Popular cloud platforms include AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, all of which offer various services tailored for machine learning. Within your chosen environment, you'll need to set up an appropriate software stack. This typically involves installing essential tools and libraries such as Python, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, and other relevant frameworks. Version control tools like Git are also essential for managing changes and collaborating with others in your team. If you're working in a cloud environment, you might want to utilize containerization technologies like Docker to ensure that your application runs consistently across different computing environments. Step 2: Data Preparation. The next step is data preparation, which is critical for training effective AI models. Data is the backbone of machine learning, and the quality of your model largely depends on the quality of your data. Start by collecting and cleaning your dataset. This involves removing duplicates, handling missing values, and ensuring that your data is in a structured format. Once you have a clean dataset, you'll need to pre-process the data. This can include normalization, standardization, feature selection, and transformation based on the specific requirements of your model. Depending on the complexity of your data, you might also want to consider using tools such as Apache Spark for large-scale data processing. Additionally, it's important to split your dataset into training, validation, and test sets. A common practice is to use 70% of your data for training, 15% for validation, and 15% for testing. This allows you to train your model effectively while ensuring that you can evaluate its performance on unseen data. Step 3: Model Training. Once your data is prepared, it's time for model training. Choose an appropriate machine learning algorithm based on the nature of your problem, whether it's classification, regression, or clustering. Leverage libraries such as TensorFlow or PyTorch to build your model. During the training phase, be sure to monitor performance metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, depending on your specific task. It's also beneficial to implement techniques such as k-fold cross-validation to ensure that your model generalizes well to unseen data. After training, it's essential to evaluate your model thoroughly using your validation dataset. Assess its performance and fine-tune the hyperparameters to optimize results. This can often be a tedious process, but utilizing tools like grid search or random search can help automate this tuning phase. Step 4: Model Versioning. After successfully training and validating your model, the next step is to implement model versioning. Model versioning is crucial for tracking changes in your models and ensuring reproducibility. By assigning version numbers to your models, you can easily roll back to previous versions if any issues arise. Tools like DVC, Data Version Control, or MLflow can assist in managing versions of both your datasets and models efficiently. they provide a robust framework for logging experiments, tracking changes, and reproducing results. As you progress, make sure to document your model's performance metrics alongside the versioning, so you have a clear history of how each iteration performed. Step 5. Building a REST API. Now that you have a validated model ready to go, the next phase is to create an interface for your model, essentially building a REST API. This will allow other applications or users to interact with your model seamlessly. There are several frameworks you can use to create APIs, such as Flask or FastAPI in Python. When building your API, focus on defining clear endpoints for interaction. For instance, you might have a post endpoint that accepts input data for predictions. Ensure that you implement proper error handling to manage unexpected inputs gracefully. Additionally, consider including logging mechanisms to track requests and responses, which can be invaluable for debugging and performance monitoring. Step 6. CI/CD integration. With your model hosted behind an API, it's time to integrate continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD, into your pipeline. CI/CD is a practice that enables developers to frequently deliver code changes while ensuring that the software works properly. To implement CI/CD, start by setting up automated testing for your model. This includes unit tests for your code, integration tests for your APIs, and performance tests to evaluate how well your model handles requests under load. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab CI, or GitHub Actions can help automate these testing processes. Once tests are passing, the next step is to automate the deployment of your model. This can involve deploying to cloud services using services like AWS Lambda, Google Cloud Functions, or deploying to a container orchestration platform like Kubernetes. Make sure that deployment is automated so that every time you push changes to your repository, it triggers tests and, if successful, automatically deploys the model to production. Step 7. Monitoring and maintenance. The final step in the deployment pipeline is monitoring and maintenance. Once your model is live, it's crucial to monitor its performance continuously. Implement monitoring tools that can track various metrics like response time, prediction accuracy, and system resource usage. Services like Prometheus or Grafana can be used to visualize these metrics in real time. Another important aspect of maintaining your deployed model is to plan for model retraining. As new data comes in, your model's performance may degrade, especially if the underlying data distribution changes. Establish a strategy for periodically retraining your model using fresh data to ensure it remains accurate and reliable. In addition to retraining, be aware of other potential issues such as model drift. This is when the statistical properties of the target variable change over time, which can affect model performance. Implementing a feedback loop where user inputs or new data can be used to continually improve your model is vital. Conclusion. Building an automated AI model deployment pipeline is a challenging yet rewarding endeavor. By following these steps, from environment setup and data preparation to model training, API creation, CI/CD integration, and continuous monitoring, you can ensure a smooth transition from development to production. Automation not only saves time but also reduces the chances of human error and allows your team to focus on innovation rather than repetitive tasks. Remember, the key to a successful deployment pipeline is to iterate constantly, learn from experiences, and adapt to new challenges that may arise. Thank you for joining us on this journey through automated AI model deployment. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on machine learning and AI. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep building and creating.